test of the NOAA radio alert system. During hazardous
weather and emergency situations, the alert tones which were just broadcast will automatically activate special receivers to alert you of impending hazards. Today's test is being conducted for Severe Weather Preparedness Week. However, this test is normally conducted every Wednesday around 11 a.m. To provide the most consistent warning service possible, the alert tones will only be activated for the following counties in the KDO89 listening area: in Missouri,
St. Louis, Franklin, Jefferson, Lincoln, St. Charles,
Warren, and the city of St. Louis. In Illinois, Madison, Monroe, and St. Clair. If your receiver was tone activated, the alert function will automatically reset after the test. This concludes our test for this week, and we will now resume normal